I'm here with the world's first wireless 4K 120Hz OLED TV. It's the LG M3 OLED. And yes, I did see it back at CES earlier this year, but now it's actually shipping out and there's a lot more information I can share. Let's go take a closer look. We're looking at the 77-inch configuration right now. It also comes in 83 inches. Those two sizes are borrowed from the LG G3 lineup, but there's also a massive 97-inch size that joins LG's signature series. And I mentioned the G series because it's actually the same panel with the same technology. It is the G, but wireless. Well, mostly wireless. The only cord here that you have to worry about is the power cord connected to the TV itself. And that gives you a ton of flexibility for making the TV look great with your space. The philosophy is that you hang this on the wall and then you're not thinking about the cords beneath it. You're not tied to having an entertainment console beneath where you have to store your Blu-ray players or hook up your soundbar or your consoles. Instead, what you do have is the LG Zero Connect box. This is a 60 GHz wireless transmitter, and how that's different from your home Wi-Fi router is that the average home router has a bandwidth of 6 GHz, whereas the 60 GHz bandwidth here is huge. The trade-off is that the box and the TV need to maintain a direct line of sight within 30 feet for optimal viewing. All the processing happens here, so even though the capacity of the wireless technology is less than the capacity supported by HDMI 2.1, all that's actually being transmitted are commands telling the pixels on the TV what they should be doing. That's also how the latency is less than 5 milliseconds, which is definitely better than Wi-Fi. I'll admit that was something I was worried about specifically for gaming, but I got to play on a PS5 and didn't notice any difference. The LG M3 wireless OLED TV starts at $4,999 for the 77-inch configuration. That's actually $500 more than the 77-inch G3 OLED TV, so it's up to you if you want to pay the premium for cord-free bliss with the Zero Connect box. The M3 is just the first step of LG's wireless OLED TV revolution. The company has told me that we can expect more to come. Can you see a wireless OLED TV fitting into your entertainment setup? Be sure to let me know in the comments and check out the rest of our TV coverage on tomsguide.com. We're also on social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.